fish. Yeah, baby. How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to Lost Coast Living. I'm Frankie, and today we're looking for some black rockfish. Not just any black rockfish, hopefully some huge black rockfish. I guess we'll just have to find out. We're coming up on a kayak without a kayaker. Now, this kayaker might be diving, but I do not see a diving flag. That's concerning. Oh, I see him. He's alright. Whenever you're diving out here, or pretty much anywhere, it's always a good idea to have a diving flag on your vessel or around your vessel. Myself, I really wouldn't dive alone. It's a pretty rough day today. This is like probably my cutoff as for like when I'll come out. All these cross waves are not cool, man, but that's one of the reasons I got these outriggers. So I can go out and heavier wave sets than I usually would. Still, gotta be careful. If you guys have seen my last video, it was where I came out here, lost my paddle. Note the paddle leash. And I have an extra one as well. 2 is 1 and 1 is none, man. Good to live by, I've learned. School of hard knocks. Okay, well today we're gonna be trying a nice little jig I found at a local tackle shop around here. Actually, it's a new tackle shop. Fairly heavy jig, but I like the little shrimp fly on the end there. We're gonna give it a try. There's actually somebody in the spot I usually fish at, which is fine. It's not my spot. But I just gotta wait to see whenever he moves on. Ooh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Yeah, baby. Oh, it's a nice black. Nice. Awesome. First fish of the day. Drop her back down again. Oh, fish on. It doesn't feel too big. Just a little black. A little guy. Let him go. Got me with the hook. We're not in too deep of water here, probably 20 feet, 30 feet. Oh, there's a fish. There's a fish. Doesn't feel too crazy. Pretty small, actually. Another black. Another little guy. So far this jig's working out pretty well. Might have to put on a bigger swim bait. Okay, got a little further out here. Let's try it. Oh, fish on. What is it? What is it? Tiny gopher. Look at that little guy. Alright, I'm switching baits. Oh, there's a fish. Oh man, right away. Okay, it's the difference. It's the type of jig, man. Oh! Oh no, it's a black. But it's a good size black. Look at that. Sick. So that's a pretty instant result. Orange one has done pretty good so far. Oh my God, are you serious? You gotta be joking. I think I was just hit twice on the drop. If you guys enjoy this kind of content, be sure to smash that subscribe button as well as hit a like. I would highly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow me on Instagram. All those links will be in the description below, along with all the gear that I'll be using today. Last time I was out here, I caught a lot of gophers right over there, but I don't want to get too close to these guys. That's pretty rude. Man, it got dark quick. Off goes that, on goes that. Oh, I just lost that jig. Dang it. So it's a little overcast today, and I'm using that darker swim bait. I think that's a good thing. I don't know, from what I've seen, some videos that I've watched, is people don't really use a lot of chartreuse on dark days, which seems backwards to me. But being a relatively newer kayak angler, I'm not gonna complain, I'm not gonna argue. I'm gonna do what I see works. I'm about to switch back to that orange jig. That's the only one I've been catching fish on. This red one and even this brown swim bait that I have, no dice. I wonder why. If you know, let me know. As a matter of fact, in these conditions, I don't know what the temperature is. What would you use to catch rockfish? I mean, let me know. Seriously, because I'll try it out. Like I said, I'm a rather new kayak angler, so... Holy sh**. That's crazy. I think I'm gonna move away from this area. Oh, fish. Yeah, baby. Nice little greenling. Man, he swallowed that shit. Not legal. Not a keeper. Well, it looks like 2 black rockfish for dinner tonight. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.